When you step into a place where scale meets precision, where innovation breathes in every corner, you know you have arrived at something exceptional.
Spread across 21 acres, with 15 acres dedicated to advanced packaging, inside 4 lakh square feet of modern sheds, and 6 acres with 2 lakh square feet dedicated for chemical innovation plant. Welcome to Vaibhav Plasto Printing and Packaging Private Limited, the powerhouse of packaging excellence. Vaibhav Plasto Printing and Packaging Private Limited is Central India's largest and most advanced hub for flexible printing and packaging. With cutting-edge European machinery, advanced automation, and a capacity of 3,500 tons every month, Vaibhav Plasto stands as a symbol of technology, precision, and performance. Backed by 18 years of relentless excellence and driven by a bold vision to create 2,000 new job opportunities by 2026 to 2027, Vaibhav Plasto proudly carries forward the legacy of the Plasto Group, a family of over 4,000 dedicated employees shaping India's industrial future. And here's the man behind this grand vision, Mr. Vaibhav Agrawal, a dynamic entrepreneur, a leader who doesn't just follow trends, he sets them.
Welcome to Plasto. In Plasto, I assure you that you will get the best quality, the best price, and in the committed lead time. In Plasto, we have at present 4,000 employees and we have a turnover of 1,500 crore rupee. By 2030, we plan to achieve turnover of 5,000 crore rupee and employees count up to 10,000. Plasto hai to guarantee hai.
At Vaibhav Plasto, world-class standards aren't just a promise, they're certified with ISO 9001-2015 for quality, ISO 22000-2018 for food safety, BRCGS for global packaging excellence, and CDEX for ethical practices.
Growth begins with hygiene and safety keeps it strong. At Vaibhav Plasto, a clean, healthy and secure environment isn't just a rule, it's a culture.
Hygiene means sealed buildings, dust-free spaces, controlled air curtains, spotless floors maintained every single day, compulsory hair caps and uniforms, pest control. Here, safety isn't just a rule, it's a routine. From monthly health checkups and an advanced emergency medical room to helmets and cutting-edge fire protection systems, every precaution is part of the process.
At Vaibhav Plasto, we believe energy drives excellence.
Our young and dynamic marketing team ensures that every client stays ahead in today's fast-moving marketplace. Printing and packaging are all about creativity and precision. And at Vaibhav Plasto, that's what drives us every day. With over 25 years of expertise, our in-house design and R&D team continuously innovate to create world-class packaging solutions.
At Vaibhav Plasto, every corner echoes precision. Every machine is designed to deliver flawless quality, speed and consistency.
Vaibhav Plasto has high-performance Rotomech printing machines imported from Italy, built for unmatched speed, accuracy and consistency. Each machine runs at 350 meters per minute speed, powered by cutting-edge automation features like auto defect detection, auto viscosity control, electronic line shaft, shaftless cylinder mounting, solvent tank automation and solvent reclaimer. Vaibhav Plasto has a POD multi-layer film plant equipped with advanced multi-layer machines designed for high precision and performance. With features like auto thickness profiling, internal bubble cooling and auto mixing, it delivers consistent quality every time. The plant boasts a production capacity of 600 kilograms per hour with production capacity of 1,600 tons per month, maintaining a thickness variation within just plus or minus 3%, ensuring flawless polyfilm manufacturing at scale. Our extrusion lamination unit is powered by high-performance lamination lines featuring auto-thickness dies. We also have solvent-less laminators imported from Europe along with solvent-based lamination machine. For inspection and finishing, we operate coil rewinding machines and high-speed slitting machines, running at up to 800 meters per minute speed. We have pouching machines craft stand-up and zipper pouches with perfect sealing and shape. Our setup also includes a dedicated perforation machine, specially designed for inspection and precision perforation of atta laminates. And to seal the deal, we have fully automatic stretch wrapping machines, ensuring every roll is safely, securely, and efficiently packaged before it leaves our facility.
And to make sure every roll, every film, every pouch meets the highest standards, Weber Plasto Quality Control Lab is fully equipped with
Universal Testing Machine, COF Tester, Heat Sealer, Dart Impact Tester, Carl Fisher Titrator, OTR Tester, WVTR Tester, MFI Bursting Strength and Scuff Resistance Testers, Hot Tack Tester, OD Meter, Core Collapsing Strength Tester, Tear Strength Tester, Vacuum Leakage Tester, and Microscope for measuring hole size of perforation. Webhoff Plasto's Ink Kitchen is equipped with a spectrophotometer for perfect shade matching and high-speed stirrers for ink mixing, ensuring color consistency and reducing shade matching wastage during printing.
Weber Plasto provides a wide range of modern packaging solutions for different industries and product categories.
PVC Heat Shrink Film, PVC Heat Shrink Sleeves, High Shrinkage Sleeves, PVC Shrink, PVC Shrink Shape Seal Pouches, Cast and PET Shrink Sleeve, BOPP Wraparound Labels, Extrusion Coating, Solvent-less, Solvent-based Laminates and Pouches, Multi-layer Film, LD Shrink Film, and Stretch Film.
At Weber Plasto, quality starts right from how we store and handle our raw materials.
Our hot room, with a storage capacity of 140 tons, maintains a consistent temperature of 50 degrees Celsius, ensuring raw materials remain moisture-free and production-ready. Adjacent to it, the granule storage room is meticulously organized for different grades and types of plastic granules. Webhoff Plasto's main storage area is a vast facility with over 3,500 tons of capacity, symbolizing our strength in large-scale production and our ability to meet every demand with unwavering quality.
From household names to industry leaders, Weber Plasto proudly partners with brands that set the standards for excellence.
With a dispatch capacity of 3,000 tons, Webhoff Plasto is engineered for scale. Advanced hydraulic dock levelers enable fast, safe, and smooth loading and unloading. Every consignment, big or small, moves out with precision, planning, and reliability. Because when it comes to delivery, Webhoff Plasto delivers on time, every time. From the bustling markets across India, Webhoff Plasto's presence covers 27 states except Kashmir and Nagaland. And beyond India, Webhoff Plasto proudly exports its products to markets across the globe.
From MIDC Nagpur to every corner of the country and beyond, Weber Plasto doesn't just print packaging, it prints possibilities. Plasto है तो guarantee है.